A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cap, cap. D for doll, doll. E for egg, egg. F for fan, fan. G for gun, gun. H for house, house. I for ink, ink. J for jug, jug. K for kite, kite. L for lamp, lamp. M for moon, moon. N for nest, nest. O for orange, orange. P for pasta, pasta. Q for queen, queen. R for rose, rose. S for sun, sun. T for tree, tree. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. W for watch, watch. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yogurt, yogurt. Z for zero, zero. Now we learn ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. 26 letters from A to Z. Now we learn 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,